So here we are. We just got a load of manufactured sand, codename Man Sand, MANSAN. Yeah. So that's what the guys over here call it. And you're missing this view. This is an awesome view. Look at that. Look at that right there. Oh, look at that. That's awesome. Look at all those trees. The green. The green. Yeah. Oh man. I was gonna say. Yeah. Oh hey, look. There's a little bit of Europe for you. We're driving on the left side. Ha. Yeah. Oh yeah. That's scenic. Mirror. Another mirror. Scenic view. So yeah. Left side driving, yeah. Yep. So how's your day, audience? Awesome. Up? ¿Qué pasó? Okay. Like this railroad tracks for the trains that come around here once in a while. Yes, there's this Hanson Manufacturing. It says so on that little sign right there. Hanson, whatever the name is. Yeah. Railroad tracks. Yeah. Railroad. Another truck back. Look, abandoned house. Abandoned house. Double abandoned house. Those looking at me. So yeah, Bridgeport, Texas. Usually we go to TXI, but right now we're at Hanson. So yeah, we'd like to switch it up a bit. Yeah. Oh well. Texas. That's like a suspension bridge for rocks. A rock suspension bridge. Goes all the way to those sidewalks right there. Which are over there as well. Yeah, those sidewalks. Instead of like storing, rocks and stuff. Actually, they store rocks instead of storing like food and stuff like wheat and all that. So yeah. All named respectively after the letters of the alphabet. Type A, Type B, Type C, Type D. Type A is just called Type A. Type B is called Boy rocks. Type C, I don't know what it's called. It's probably called Cat. I don't know. And Type D is called Dog. Dog rocks. Let's get some green dog food. But right now we got, sand. And look, it's a train. It's a blue train. Choo-choo. 2006. Excuse me. Sorry. Like I said, these trips make me want to take a nap. Another truck over there. Black truck. Awesome. That looks abandoned over there. That's really abandoned.
2000? Oh, 73. 72?
That's some sort of place filled with stuff and stuff.
Dile que está mal, dile, oh, está mal.
Look at that perspective. It's like going off into the horizon. Woo! Rocks. Mirror and train tracks. Train tracks not a mirror. And the rocks. And sky. Look at that sky. Sky over there. Watch out. Oh,
vamos en la noche.
Red truck. Whoa. Hey, look, water. They're wasting water in here. That's bad. That's very bad. Very bad. Shame on you.
Yo le hubiera dicho, dame chance de pasar para allá, vas a ver que hacemos dos, güey.
Sorry. It feels like I woke up from a
Dale
nap.
con un pintita que te
But,
caiga. Ya, ya.
there's my dad. He's talking on the phone. And here we are. The loading weights thingies. So, yeah. Alright, check our weights. Ooh, whoa.
Sí, sí, la única que es, no, es
Ooh,
el
look,
palito que
that
te
little
quedó.
bar right there tells us how much we weigh.
Oh, chingue su madre. Jamás me ha pasado. 8400 83500. Ah, ahí está, ya la. Dice el Juanito que es la primera vez porque esta semana que estuvo conmigo jalando la otra.
Can you see it?
Es la primera
It
vez
says
que este camión hace
8344.
19 tickets.
Probably can't because my eyes are really awesome at viewing. And it's just
Nunca habían
standard
metido
definition,
19
high
tickets,
HD
güey.
probably. No, just standard definition range.
So,
So yeah, maybe you'll see it right now. Yeah, you saw it kind of.
y es que la traje aquí como 3 días a la web.
So, yeah. Transition. I suck at those. Transition. There we go. That's a better transition. Transition for me right there. Transition. I'm spamming transition. Yep, I'm
Que
spamming.
la caga la
Spam,
viejita así.
spam. I hate
Si yo
spam.
no
Do
sé, a
you?
mí mi patrón me dijo que echara 3. Yo siempre que he venido aquí he hecho 3.
Yeah, I just hate spam. In general, because I mean, yeah, you some are good probably. Some are actually real offers like, oh hey, do this and you get 50% off and all that stuff. And look, more trucks, more trucks.
Y le digo, ahora
Yay
vamos
for
por la
trucks.
noche, sí, no hay pedo, y le habla a su Cani.
And there's a train. There's a train. There's a train car right
Yo
there,
no voy a llegar.
ready to get some stuff and get on the road.
Sí, así digo, no, voy a andar con el
And this is hey, no trucks. Oh, we're not allowed inside. Oh, we're not allowed inside. We are breaking the law. Yep, that's this part of it. Look at that. That's like a vast expanse of stuff. Can't really see it. Look at the generator back. And that's a bird. That's a bird. Look at that. That's a bird right there. Wait, can you see it from here? See a bird? Yeah, bird. Speed bump. There is no speed bump that lied. It lied. Those train cars are filled with stuff. They're ready to go. They're probably not going to go anywhere. They're going to go anywhere. Over there. Look at that. Oh, man. This is pretty.
Buscas una pinche botella de perfume, ya de meter estampado allá atrás.
Okay. Yeah, it's pretty. Pretty.